and welcome. Today we are talking about Ipsy. Some of you guys have been asking, Rhonda, you do a little sneaky peekies for us on BoxyCharm, but you don't do it for Ipsy. Can you do that? And I was like, sure, why not? So that's what today is all about. We're going to be talking about the Ipsy Glam Bag X that is coming up. I do believe we've got some Ipsy Glam Bag spoilers in here as well. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. There is a really good chance I'm probably going to be interrupted because I am a mom. And I kid you not, between texts and calls in the last few videos that I've been trying to film, my kids have, I think they have a radar on me. They're like, mom's busy, mom's filming, mom's going to the bathroom, let's give her a shout out, let's call her. Yeah, so mom life, it is what it is. I just keep it in because y'all requested less edited Rhonda, and thank you, it's making my life much easier. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the fam bam. If you are new and you haven't subscribed, why not? There's always something going on over here. And if not here, over on my other channel, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs, where I do curvy girl fashion hauls. I held this from Shein. And if not over there, the other way, HOTMESS in the kitchen, where I think that's self-explanatory. You know, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all. And shout out to my girl Martha. I'm sitting in front of it because I'm pretty sure it's messing with my camera and making the camera like want to focus in on that. But my girl over there, Martha at the Good Candle, she's got her holiday collection on sale. Hopefully it's still on sale when I get this video up to you all. But code HOTMESS will save you an additional 15%. Thank you if you use that code, because not only are you putting some pennies in my pocket, but you are helping to support my friend Martha and her small business that is absolutely amazing and growing. So you all have been requesting some Ipsy spoilers. So if you want to sign up for Ipsy because you like what I'm about to talk about, I do have a referral down below for y'all. It is not an affiliate code or nothing like that. It's just my personal one because I do purchase the Ipsy Glam Bag. So it looks like the next Ipsy Glam Bag, which the prices, I kid you not, changed so much with subscriptions. I think this is close to $60, 50 some dollars. Just let me know down below. This is not a monthly subscription. The Ipsy X is a quarterly. I am super freaking excited for this takeover. When it comes to Ipsy X has a celebrity that does like a complete takeover. And this is going to be Bailey Sarian, which we all know, we all love. And I'm pretty sure, didn't she used to work for Ipsy like forever ago, back when like Madison Miller did? I thought, I don't know, I could be wrong, but anyways, she also has a very super successful YouTube channel where she does like makeup and crime, and I want to say she also has a podcast, right? So it looks like she's going to be taking over, and some of the products that we are going to potentially see, which keep in mind, you do get to customize, I think like 3 of the items, and then the rest are her favorite picks. And so what we are seeing, I am over on Ipsy Boxy spoilers, so definitely make sure to go over and check them out. But some of the products that we are going to potentially see, whether it's a choice or some of her favorite products. Choice day is February 2nd, by the way. We usually get about 30 spoilers before then, and she says First Aid Beauty Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask, which does have a $32 retail value, is one of the items. That actually is a really good mask and I own it. Next is the In Beauty Project Face Glaze Skin Barrier Protect and Glow Moisturizer of $24. I could definitely benefit from that. I've been going a little too ham sandwich between the retinol, the tretinoin, and glycolic acid. Don't do that. My skin is like, girl, it's making, ooh, I could go on for days. Next in here is the Natasha Denona Lip Euphoria for $26. We're also seeing the Femu, I think is how you say it, Ideal Chamomilla Facial Oil of $65. Does that not sound bougie? That sounds nice. The Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. I don't think I've tried that. It has an $85 retail value. Now this is something I'm so excited over. The Scott Barnes Cosmetics Sculpting Contour Palette. $58 retail value. I own this and I love it. It is a beautiful palette. There's kind of like techniques to it. I have screwed up in the past and like color just wasn't right for me, but it is an awesome palette when you find the right one. Plus, let's be honest, I do tend to go a little ham sandwich with things, but I love this palette. Next is the Voya Hair Care. It's a Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox for $28. I love hair care products. I'm taking a break from my heat right now for me because I told you all last year I thought it would be a great idea to put hyaluronic acid on my dry, brittle freaking hair. Stupid. Plus I have electric AC and electric heat, so that also makes the air even drier. Even running humidifiers, there was no hope. So I broke it. And then I thought, it's probably fine. Let's do the beach waiver on it. I broke it again. I just have to take a break from heat and never put hyaluronic acid on my hair again. Alright? Yeah. Anyways, moving on, the Drunk Elephant Protini Power Peptide Resurfacing Serum with Lactic Acid. It's got an $82 retail value. I've tried a lot of Drunk Elephant products. They were one of them, and Sunday Riley were one of the first, I don't know what to call it, bougie skincare. I guess it's not even considered bougie because then you have like Tatcha at Sephora. But at the time, Drunk Elephant was bougie at Sephora when I tried it in like 2018. Same with Sunday Riley. Really good products, especially if you're starting to get into anti-aging. So I'm excited about that. The Georgette Klinger Rose Clarifying Toner. It's a $26 retail value. All right, and then we have in here the Pat McGrath Love and Lust Gloss Duo and Flesh Fantasy and Fresh 6. Okay, $25 retail value. The struggle is real. So those are some of the items that we are seeing. Ipsy versus Boxy has also posted, and in this particular one that you're seeing, something different in here is a NARS lipstick we're seeing. So, I mean, I'm pretty excited. We're also seeing, is there anything different? I don't think so. I think the only newish stuff is that NARS lippy. So, let me know y'all's thoughts as far as that glam bag goes. I think that's pretty exciting. Now, sticking with Ipsy versus Boxy from Instagram, she also posted a spoiler pic of some other items that we may see, and I believe it says it's for the Glam Bag spoiler. So the Glam Bag is the, I don't know, in Kentucky it's literally just under $16. It comes to $15.98. You do get to customize one item in here. And she has posted on this picture a $50 or $50 or more retail value. We see the Saturday Skin, and I think this is the cleanser mask. A lot of Saturday Skin products just don't work for me, like in my, or maybe it's just the ones that I've tried. They just seem to like, I mean, some people love it, and you know how makeup, skincare, it's all subjective. Like it may work for you, not for me, and vice versa. And for me, Saturday Skin, some of the stuff that I've tried, my skin just struggles with it. Next, we're seeing the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Honestly, this kind of cracked me up. Oh, my battery's dying. This kind of cracked me up because back like when I was in high school, my mom had taken me to the Clinique counter, and this was like the skincare I was using. So this lotion, I'm like, okay. I mean, it was a good lotion. Next in here is the Clinique All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap, face cleaner, whatever, can't get the words out. I like this. I don't recall it being very stripping on my face. Another thing we are seeing is by Benefit. This is the Fluff Up Brow Wax. I've never tried that before. Kind of interested. We also see a brush in here, and my guess would be it's an SL Miss Glam, I think it's called. We're also seeing the Grown Alchemist Balancing Toner. And then, what is this one? Vitamin Bay. It's a skin loving foundation by the Beauty Crop. So, I mean, if this was the bag, that would, that's too many products for the bag. But honestly, these products I think look really nice as far as that goes for the Glam Bag. Let me look around right quick and see if I can find anything for spoilers for the Plus. Okay, hopefully I can get this out to you all before my battery dies. But I'm sticking with Ipsy versus Boxy, and what she has gotten so far is it looks like an eyeshadow palette. and I'm not for sure which one. It just says, from what I can see, it says like gram on the front of it, but I'm not for sure which brand that is. Next in here, we've got the Luna Magic. It looks like you get a set of lip liners. We're also seeing the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I think that was one of the items that irritated my skin from Saturday Skin. Then we're seeing the Dime Cosmetics or Beauty Volume Mascara. I feel like that brand was sponsoring a lot of like celebrities for a while there. I don't know. Let me know if you've tried it. Next, we have the Biro Skincare. This is the Kiwi Detox Gel Cleanser. I really like Biro Skincare. BoxyCharm got me onto them. And then last in here is the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. I have to learn more the difference between a toner and an essence. I can't remember. But those are the spoilers that I have for you all so far when it comes to Ipsy. As she said, February 2nd is apparently when you're going to be making choices for like the Glam Bag X and everything. Like I said, if you want to go ahead and sign up, I'll have my referral link down below. It's not an affiliate. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little something different, and if you like it, I'll continue it. Anyways, friends, check me out on my other channel, Hot Mess in the Kitchen and Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. Shout out and thank you once again to my YouTube members for helping to support this channel. And of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HotMessMomma4. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. I am losing my voice. Mwah! Bye, friends. Did you hear it? These allergies are whooping my butt. Okay, I'll catch you all in the next video. Oh, check out my girl Martha. Okay, bye. Mwah!